The Golden Touch. King Midas was a greedy king who always wanted more wealth. One day, a Greek god granted him a wish. Midas asked for everything he touched to turn into gold. The Greek god granted his wish, and Midas excitedly turned objects around him into gold. However, when he tried to eat, he found that his food also turned into gold, leaving him unable to eat. King Midas had a dear daughter named Marigold. When she saw her father upset, she tried to comfort him. Sadly, as soon as the touched him, she turned into gold too. Heartbroken, King Midas begged the Greek god to take back the golden touch and save his daughter. Feeling sorry for him, the Greek god agreed. He sprinkled pond water on Marigold, and she became normal again. Grateful and relieved, King Midas thanked the Greek god and promised never to be greedy again. The Minister's Wig. Long ago, a wise minister served a great kingdom. As he aged, he lost all his hair and became completely bald. He felt embarrassed of his bald head and hesitated to go out in public. One day, he decided to buy a wig and bought one with thick black hair. He felt very pleased with his new look. Every day he admired himself in the morning and said, "I look so handsome with this wig." One windy afternoon, he went sailing with his friends. They were having a wonderful time on the boat. Suddenly, a strong gust of wind blew his wig off and carried it away into the water. His friends saw his bald head and burst into laughter. At first, the minister felt very embarrassed, but then he realized how funny the situation was. Suddenly, he himself started laughing and no longer felt ashamed of himself. Moral: accept yourself as you are and be proud of it. Minister's wise suggestion. Long ago, a rich and powerful king decided to visit some distant parts of his land. His journey was long and tiring because he had to walk in several places. The roads were rough and covered with stones, making his feet hurt. When he returned to his place, he was unhappy and in pain. He decided to solve the problem and ordered his ministers to cover all the roads in his kingdom with leather. His ministers were worried because this would be very expensive. They did not know how to manage such a task. When the king was about to leave the next day, a wise minister stepped forward and said, "Your Majesty, why do you want to spend so much money? Instead, we can cut a small piece of leather to cover your feet." He then presented a pair of shoes to the king. The king was surprised at how simple the solution was. Moral: instead of changing the world, try changing yourself first. One day, a poor, hungry boy decided to ask someone for some food. He knocked on a door, and a young woman opened it. Feeling shy, the boy asked only for a glass of water. The kind woman smiled and gave him a large glass of milk instead. The boy was deeply touched. After drinking it, he asked, "How much do I have to pay you?" The woman replied, "My mother taught me never to accept payment for kindness." Many years later, the same woman fell seriously ill. A doctor visited to treat her. When the doctor saw the patient, he immediately recognized she was the kind woman who had once given him milk. He took great care of her and helped her recover. When it was time to pay, the woman was worried about the cost, but the doctor smiled and said, "The payment was made long ago with a glass of milk." Moral: kindness is always repaid. Luck learnt a lesson. Luck was a cheerful boy, but he had one bad habit. He loved eating all day long. He always looked for something tasty to snack. On one afternoon, he looked for something to eat and found a glass jar with snacks. He quickly opened the lid and grabbed a big handful of snacks. But when he tried to pull his hand out, it would not come out. It got stuck. Luck struggled and pulled, but his hand remained trapped inside the narrow jar. His father, who had been watching, smiled and said, "Luck, you are holding too many snacks. Your little hand cannot fit through the opening while holding so much. Let go of some and take only what you can hold." Feeling embarrassed, Luck let go of most of the snacks and took just one. This time, his hand slipped out easily. He learned a valuable lesson that day. Moral: never be greedy. Take as much as you can handle.